too much of my time. Hey, come on in, y'all. Guess what time it is? It's time to cook again. So here we go. I am doing some, this is going to be a big old rice stir fry. Okay, so for those of you who tuned in last night for Tanya's Live, where we did the Chinese food, well, we had a lot of rice left over. Some good old chicken fried rice left over. And since I got to cook some food today, and y'all know me and leftovers, and y'all know I don't like to waste food, the rice was pretty good. So since there was lots of it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show it to you again and show you what I'm going to do to use the rice. So right here in this pan, I'm going to stir fry some, this is just some broccoli and peppers and onions that I'm stir frying. I'm going to get it stir fried up real good, and I'm going to add some shrimp to it, and I'm going to add that rice to it. So it's amazing how you can dress up a dish for something that was left over. So don't throw away food. Food is too valuable. And if it's good food, you know, just go ahead and make it into something else. So we're going to have us a great big old rice stir fry pan here. This is, like I say, you can do stir fry using most anything, especially leftovers. That's what stir fry is good for me. Because y'all know me and leftovers. I'm the queen of leftovers. So all I've done is just chopped up, I'm just chopping up these pieces of broccoli in here. Get them nice and seasoned up. I'm going to add to them, that's probably 1/4 pound of broccoli. I'm going to do a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. I'm going to throw in another teaspoon of my dry chicken bouillon cube mix. And remember that mixture that I made up and put on that marjoram chicken the other day for Sunday? I can sprinkle a little bit of that on there because it has all the seasonings in here. And I'm going to get over in a few minutes. I'm going to find me some oriental seasoning. I'm going to do some rice vinegar on it. And, of course, I'm going to put some soy sauce. So just, you know, anything that you can think of that you got laying around the refrigerator that you need to go ahead and use, just go ahead and stir fry it up. Throw some rice in it. If you got some shrimp, you can saute some shrimp and throw it in there. Or chicken or beef or whatever. In this case, we're going to use shrimp. So I'm going to get it back over here on that big burner so we can get it going. So I've got just a few shrimp left in a bag that I used probably when I made my shrimp scampi. I had that, yeah, about 1/4 pound of shrimp left over. And I got these little containers of rice. Okay, one. Tanya ordered so much food last night until we had lots and lots of rice left over. And here's that chicken fried rice. So this rice here has lots of chicken in it. So we'll have a little bit of meat. You know me and meat. I don't care if we don't have meat. As long as we got the veggies going, I am good to go. So we're going to get the peppers and onions. I'm going to pour, probably I got about in all I have about a 1/2 cup of cooking oil in there. Okay. Ooh, that smells really, really good too. Also today, y'all, I'm doing some gardening. I am repotting some ferns that I've got out on the back porch there. I decided to do those before they sit there and just wither away. But this is a great dish here that I'm working on. I'm just going to go off camera and let this continue to cook, because for right now, it's just going to saute, and we're going to get the rice going in there. And I'm telling y'all, if you got loads of food like that left over, go ahead and make it even better. Because you know me and leftover food, I love to eat leftovers. And I do not like to waste food. So here I am, I'm just going to be a big old skillet of stir-fried rice and shrimp and chicken fried rice and so on and so forth. So I'm not going to let y'all see the paint dry, so I'm going to sign off for a couple seconds. Okay, y'all, got the shrimp going, got them sauteing in there. Just going to chop them a little bit. Like I said, the rice has chicken in it. And it's going to be a good old skillet. I mean, this is just right on time, because guess what, the boys dropped by today. And it's like, what, 1:40 in the afternoon. I don't usually cook this time of the day. I usually do a sandwich or so. Anywho, so So now, got the shrimp going around in there. I'm just going to start putting the rice in there. Let's go ahead and dump the rice. That's that shrimp fried rice. I'm sorry, the chicken fried rice. And it has some good veggies in it. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Looks good, doesn't it? I still got a ton of rice to put in there. I'm going to go ahead and just put that white rice in there. Okay. Gotta have a lot of rice on it. We're both of here today. I'm going to put butter. You know I'm going to drop some butter off in there, don't you? Let's go ahead. And of course, Narik is here, so I have to boil. He loves corn, so I'm boiling little Narik some corn. His favorite thing to eat is corn. This rice all, and you know, leftover rice, especially when you buy it from the Chinese restaurant, they cook their rice it's very firm. So it's going to take a little bit to get all this rice mixed up in here and get everything all nice and soft and ready to eat. But we got some nice rice skillet, I think. I'm going to go ahead now and put some, a little bit of rice vinegar goes in there, just a little bit. The rice vinegar pumps it up. Good teaspoonful. Another half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to put some soy sauce as soon as I can figure out what I do with it. When the kids come over and use stuff, they don't exactly put my stuff back where it needs to be put. So I have to kind of sort of look for stuff. Remember this gyoza sauce that Tanya loves so much? I'm going to put a little bit of that gyoza sauce in there. It's really good. It helps with that oriental flavor. I usually have a little packet of fried rice seasoning. I don't know if I got any in there today or not. But anywho, yeah, nice skillet of fried rice. Real nice skillet. Okay. So basically what I'm still doing with the rice is just getting it all mixed up. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this rice is just about ready. And y'all know me and butter or margarine, either one. I was at the Piggly Wiggly yesterday, and I have not seen a cake. We used to call these cakes of butter or butter around packs of butter. Okay, so I'm gonna put half of this, well, not quite half, about that much of that butter in there, and let it melt through that rice.
Mom.
Yes, love.
What are you doing?
I am cooking. Y'all hear Narik ask me, Mom, what are you doing? I'm cooking. I'm cooking. What are you doing? What you want? What you want?
The hangman wanted us to see him.
He's trying to give me all the sugar I want, and he wants candy.
Mama.
What you want?
Mama.
Well, what do you want? What you want, baby? Huh? I'm not. I can't pick you up here. I'm gonna let you here. I'm just gonna look. You have to chew it up right quick before your daddy comes back. Candy, I know. But look, you have to eat it now. Your daddy. Lord bless his little heart. He loves candy. They don't let him eat candy, but Grandma does. Grandma lets him eat a little candy. Not a lot. I tell Karan all the time, I say, honey, didn't nobody deprive you of eating your candy when you were a little bitty baby. Honey, Grandma let you eat whatever you want as long as you were safe and full. That Narik loves some candy. His daddy and mommy don't like for him to have candy. But Grandma know a little peppermint won't hurt nobody. Anyhow, y'all, I'm getting this rice all together. And that noise y'all hear in the background, I have no claim. I lay no claim to those sounds It's a movie I'm looking to. It's all the way across the room, and I'm on a roll right here, right now. So, hold on just one sec. Okay, y'all, there it is, that good old leftover rice. I added some new vegetables to it. I added some green peppers, onions, and some broccoli to it, and some shrimp, and just put some more seasoning in it. So, that's the rice that was left over, the chicken fried rice left over from last night's live Chinese feast. So we're having this for say late lunch, early dinner. And over here I got some chicken nuggets because Norika's here and the boys are here. And of course Norika's already eating his chicken nuggets and some boiled corn. He is just as happy as a little lark, sitting down just so sweet at the table. But I just wanted to tune in with y'all to let y'all see what I'm doing in the afternoon, among other things. So here we go. We're gonna have lunch, early dinner, like I said, and until I cook again, I'm gonna say love you guys. Keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down. And I'm gonna say toodaloo. I'm done with this meal. So we're gonna go over here and see if Norika will say anything to y'all. See, he's being ever so nice. Norika, can you say hey to the camera? Say hey. You're not gonna say hey or bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, y'all, toodaloo. He did good. He's enjoying that corn. He loves corn and nuggets.
What was it, Mom?
Okay. You all done?
No. It's not. Stop!
I don't know what that was. Okay, bye-bye. All done? Finish eating.